about learning how to meditate, and the woman on the end of the phone said, "Oh," she said, "you're so in luck." She said, "This weekend we have a 2-day meditation workshop at Macquarie, North Ryde." And I said, "Book me in." There's hundreds and hundreds of ways to meditate. The one I'm going to teach is probably the simplest one of all, and it's actually focusing on your breath. Dean.
There's something that I learned from Yvonne Collier, who had cancer and he overcame this concept of meditation. Is quite confusing. What is it? And he said there's 80,000 ways to meditate, and here's one. It got my attention. But I'm very more, shall we say, mentally inclined and thinking all the time. Yvonne, you can probably appreciate, is more emotionally connected. Therefore, there's a difference in different people. But the one thing he said is that when you're counting your breath, count to 10. Now, in the minute you had, you may not have done that without thinking of something else, with all those other thoughts we had. So he said, and this was the trick, count to 10 on the way. Each time a thought comes in, thank the thought. And just say, I'm counting my breath at the moment, and come back to counting your breath. He also said, when you get to 10, be aware of it, and start at 1 again. Now, I have found that invaluable, especially if I can't get to sleep, and I'm just counting my breath. I get to 10, and all those thoughts get pushed out until there's a clear space. I helped my mate with it, and he said it didn't work, and I said, why? I fell asleep, and I'll never know.
Thank you, Dean.